Nike is reigniting Foamposite energy with the return of the iconic cough drop Foamposite One, scheduled for release on August 15, 2025, at $230 in men's sizing. First launched in 2007 and reissued in 2010, this pair earned its nickname from the Varsity Red hits on the outsole, pull tabs, tongue strip, and branding. The bold black Foamposite shell and upper make a comeback, blending nostalgia with contemporary relevance. Fans were thrilled when the pair was previewed during Nike's SNKRS showcase, which also spotlighted a carbon fiber Foamposite and other Foamposite Pro and Flightposite models slated for fall and holiday 2025. With official images now available, sneakerheads can expect a faithful revival of one of the most celebrated colorways. As Nike leans into retro storytelling, the brand refreshes classic models while maintaining appeal in today's fast-evolving market. The cough drop stands as a perfect blend of heritage, style, and hype.